Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling everything eFootball support will need. This proves you own the account. Once done, collect your eFootball ID, registered email, and the phone number tied to the account. Make sure to include proof of ownership such as purchase receipts or transaction ID, and note recent login dates and device names. These facts speed verification and reduce back and forth. You'll use them when contacting official channels, so keep screenshots and documents handy before moving to the next step. You now contact official support. Do not try third-party tools or shortcuts. Start an in-game help request or visit Konami official support portal, choose account issues, and clearly request removal of two-step verification. Once done, attach all proof of ownership and a concise timeline of events. Explain why you cannot access the two-step method and provide device details. Support will verify and guide next steps. Make sure to monitor your email and reply promptly to any follow-up requests to avoid delays. You finish by following support's verification instructions. They'll confirm identity and then remove two-step verification if satisfied. Once access is restored, make sure to re-enable strong alternative security. Use an authenticator app or a verified email so your account stays protected. If the initial request is denied, provide additional proof or ask about the appeal process. Persistence with valid documentation typically resolves most cases. One key troubleshooting tip: if you stop hearing back, reply to the ticket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.